I'm just shaking it. And we made chocolate chip cookies! We also made popsicles. If you want to learn how to make these ice pops and chocolate chip cookies, keep watching. These are the ingredients for the recipe. My mommy is helping me dice one mango. Put the diced mango in a container and squeeze 2 limes. Put the most tahini you want on your mangoes. Put as much salt as you want. Mix it and let it sit for 20 minutes. Have your mom dice 5 mangoes into big chunks. Put the mangoes into a blender. Now add 4 cups of water. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Have your mom blend it. Add the mango juice to 3/4 of the bag, and you could find them in Amazon, and we'll put them down below. Tie the bag nice and tight. Add a spoonful of the diced mango with tahini to the bottom of the bag. Add some juice and tahini 3/4 away. It's cookie time! We're gonna make cookies while we wait for the... Cookie man! No, not the cookie man. For the popsicles to freeze. And then the cookie man! Cookie man. Cookie girl! I'm an egg. Hey! Can I put the peanut butter?
Of course, and here's a spoon for it.
Okay. I've tried peanut butter once and I didn't really like it. Because it was burnt. You just slowly go down. Because there's no problem. Good and amazing. Then I'm gonna put the chocolate chips.
Put them in. Put them in, and then Mia will put in the egg.
And then we're mixing all the ingredients for the cookies. Oh, and then we'll put it on the sheet, and then we'll roll it. And I'm mixing up some pancakes. And Mia, it's your turn.
Are you gonna try these ones?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna like these ones. I already know it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and if you wanna keep track of our videos, hit the notification bell.